Hi everyone, today I'm making style lamb grill. It's super delicious. First, unpack the lamb. We use 2 packs of lamb. Only bought this lamb at supermarket. Look how fresh and big are these lamb slices. Put them in the big bucket. You want to wash the lamb. First, defrost the lamb. Then put salt. Then wash lightly. After that, it's time to marinate the lamb. Now squeeze 1 lemon. To that, the juice and 1 lemon. And add 1 tablespoon of apple cider. After that, add in 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, 1 tablespoon of rosemary. Then add in 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. Then add 1 bowl of black pepper sauce. Finally, add cinnamon powder and a bit of salt. After that, add in ginger slices. Rub all together evenly. Make sure every piece of lamb get the sauce. Marinate at least 2 hours or better overnight. Keep into fridge while marinating. Cut potatoes into half. Now time to cook the lamb. Simply put the lamb in a pot. Use the pressure cooker. Layer the lamb and potatoes silently. No need to peel the potatoes. The potatoes will cook softly inside the cooker. Put all the marinated sauce in the pot. Cook for 30 minutes. While the lamb is cooking, let's boil the corn and broccoli. Of course, like dishes. Cut the corn into 3 pieces. Cut broccoli into small frolets. Wash the broccoli. Then boil the broccoli. Put some salt while boiling. Boil for 4 minutes. After, take them out. Immediately put some ice cubes so that the broccoli maintains its bright color. Next, let's cut some chilies. Only use green chilies. Put everything inside a bowl. Then squeeze some lemon. Then add some mayonnaise. Now mix all together. Then cut the capsicum. Dice and put into the mayonnaise. It smells so good. The lamb is ready. Let's put on the plate. First put some lamb. Then roasted potatoes, some corn, broccoli and tomatoes, and finally the chilies. It's look delicious, so delicious. Style lemon grill is ready. So soft potatoes. The lemon is juicy too, super delicious. Let's enjoy. Wow, sedapnya. Follow for more recipes. Like, follow and share.